Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we'll see how to install Flatpress CMS on Ubuntu 21.04. CMS means Content Management System. It is the software used to manage the digital content. Flatpress is a plain and simple CMS. You don't need MySQL because Flatpress stores all of its content on text files. Prerequisites for the CMS are Apache Web Server, PHP with its models. First, I'm going to check the OS version by using following command. It is Ubuntu 21.04. Next, I'm going to download the Flatpress CMS by using following link. Next, I'm going to extract the downloaded file by using following command. Next, I'm going to move the extracted file to the Apache home directory. Next, I'm going to change the ownership for Flatpress directory. Next, I'm going to give the permission for the Flatpress directory. Next, I'm going to create a virtual host for the Flatpress CMS. After completion of editing, press escape for command mode, :WQ for save and exit. Next, I'm going to disable the default virtual host file by using following command. Next, I'm going to enable the Flatpress virtual host file. Next, I'm going to enable the read-write module for Apache. Now restart the Apache web server. Next I'm going to make the host entry for this domain site. After completely editing, press escape for command mode, :WQ for 8 and exit. Now go to the browser and bring your domain name. Go to the browser, bring our domain address. This is Flatpress CMS. I'm clicking next to next page, creating user, creating password for that user, retype the password, give any email ID, now I'm going to the login page, login with the created user. This is the home page of Flatpress CMS. This is how to install Flatpress CMS on Ubuntu 21.04 has been completed. Subscribe to Linux Help channel. Visit linuxhelp.com. For support, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.